I want to allude the definition of leadership to the same way we allude to the definition of fire. Fire has three elements. If one of them does not exist, fire will not happen at all. Can you give me what those three elements? That's right. We have oxygen, or in this case, heat first. We have oxygen, and we also have fuel. If one of the elements does not exist, fire will not happen. Even if all of them exist, but one of them is not strong enough, fire will not be robust. The same thing happens also for leadership. Leadership has three elements. The first one is commanding, the ability of that leader to be able to set a goal, enforce the discipline when the people don't want to do the things that have been tasked upon them, directing the path, and making sure that people follow what is agreed on. The second one is equipping. Equipping in this case is managing the needs and wants, providing support, enabling possibilities. Equipping meaning by day one of work, the laptop should be there available for the employee to use in order for him to be productive. Equipping in the case that if he succeeded in his job, what are the next steps for him to move on to if he wants to get promoted? That's equipping. The third one is influencing. Influencing can mean motivating, challenging. Here's where the personality comes in, the charisma, the ability to charm your people that they want to follow you because you are worth following. In this case, being able to convince people. Now, here's the tricky part. Not all leaders possess all three things. Some can be commanding and some can be equipping, but they're not motivational enough. They can be called dictators, right? Some can be equipping and some can be influencing, but they're not commanding enough. They can be called inspirational speakers, right? Now, I want you guys to hold an imaginary dart, and I want you guys to please spin it on the screen and ask yourself, which of the three elements do you think fall under your power? Are you equipping, commanding, and influencing? And if you have three darts pinned on the screen, that will be the best thing ever. If you only have two or one, that's fine, because that's the next steps now. What can we do to work better and become better leaders for our millennials? All right?
To know more about our leadership workshops, visit jonathanyabut.com or send us an email, jonathanyabut@gycvasia.com.